I'm in the field up behind my house, and all along the edge of the woods you can see where the cicadas have hatched. And their little husks and the ones that have just hatched are out on the branches, and they're flying up in the tops of the trees. And you can hear that drum, that hum. Sounds like an old 50s sci-fi movie where they want to get the sound of a spaceship. And that's what it sounds like. Absolutely amazing sound. And as I'm looking up in the tops of trees, I see them flying from limb to limb. Females looking for the males. It's the males that are making that drumming sound with their hollow bodies. I can see up the top of this tree here. They're flying from limb to limb. Wow. Cool.